Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 295. It's a medium level problem. The problem name is apply discount to prices. So the problem statement says that a sentence is a string of single space separated words where each word can contain digits, lowercase characters, and a particular dollar sign. Now, a word represents a price if it is a non-negative real number preceded by a dollar sign. That means these three are examples of a valid price. However, these three are not, because in the first one we don't have a dollar, in the second one we just have a dollar, in the third one we don't have a dollar at the first place, rather in between. So these are not valid prices. So we are given a string sentence representing a sentence and an integer discount. So now for each word representing a price, apply a discount of discount percent on the price and update the word in the string, in the sentence. Now all the updated prices should be represented with exactly two decimal places. So return a string representing the modified sentence. Now let's try to understand it with the help of the given example. So this is the sentence and the discount is 50%. Now, if we look into the words, then 1 is a valid price. So we make 50% discount and it comes out to be 0.50. Now here 0.50 is because we need it to be represented with exactly two decimal places. So that's why 0.50, not zero point 0.5. And again, $2 is also a valid price. So 50% discount leads to $1. And now $5 is not a valid price because the dollar needs to be present at the first place. So the rest of the characters remain same. These two are the modifications. If we look into the second example, so again, $3, $5, $6, and $9. These are the four valid prices. So we'll apply 100% discount here. So it comes out to be 1, 2, and then applying 100% discount makes it $0.00. Then again, 5 is converted into again 0, 6 converted to 0, and then again 9 converted to 0. So this is the final string. Uh, Now, if we come to the constraint, then the sentence length can go up to 10 raised to the power 5. Again, it can contain lowercase English letters, digits, space, and a dollar. A sentence does not have leading or trailing spaces. And yeah, all prices will be positive and all. So yeah, a number of constraints here. So it's a basic implementation based problem. It says that okay, you need to do these things. It's just that you need to write proper code here. Nothing related to the algorithmic part. So let's directly look into the implementation. So this is the first function we have. What we do is that we split the string into words, right? So here we have different words. I have taken a string builder so that we can compute our final answer in a single traverse only while we are doing other stuff. Now we have taken a boolean first word. Now this is just a way so that we append a space for all the words except the first word. So yeah, that's not a big deal here. Let's look into the main logic. So we traverse each word, and what we do, we compute the get price. Now what get price will do, this is a function. We pass a word and we check whether it is a valid word or not. Now, valid price or not, sorry. So if the first character is not a dollar sign, then it is not a valid price, right? So we return -1 in this case. So this function will return -1 if it is not, if it is not a valid price, else it will return the valid price, right? So now if we return -1 in case dollar is not present. Now what we do word is equal to word dot substring 1. That means removing the dollar from word. Now we try to compute the value of the number. So this is a try catch block. Reason being, we have used the function long dot parse long word. Now if this is not a valid number, then what we'll do, it will throw an exception. Now if an exception is thrown, that means it is not a valid number and we return -1, else we return number. Now, why I've taken long here is because it says that all prices will have at most 10 digits. So, yeah, to be on the safer side, we have taken a long. So, yeah, we return num in this case. So, finally, we come back here. We see that, okay, we call this function, it is num. Again, if it is not first word, then append and space, because we need spaces between different words, right? Except before the first word. So, that's it. And now if num equals -1, that means the given word is not a valid price, so we just append it as we get it. However, if it is a valid number, then what we do is that we append a dollar here, and then we append the discounted price. Now this again is a separate function where we pass the number and a discount. uh, okay, we can remove this. I took an extra variable. We can remove this one. Now all we do is that we convert this into double. So converting into double is easy. You just multiply it by 1.0. So number minus the discount percentage, again converting into double, and then divided by 100.0. So we get the new price, and this new price needs to be converted up to two decimal places. So what we have done, this is the way you convert it to two decimal places to 0.2f, and then we append it into our final string. We do it for all the words, and then we finally return our answer. So answer dot to string. uh, so yep, probably just testing the that testing that how you basically try to find out that whether a given word is a valid number or not. So yeah, this is one of the good ways, I would say. Like there can be multiple ways, but this is one of the good ways of finding out that whether the given word is a number or not. Because if this function fails, it throws a number pointer exception or something like this. Not number pointer, number format exception. Then we know that it is not a valid number, and we just return -1. Or no need to write some fancy stuff that whether all the characters present in a particular string are those digits or not. So yeah, a shorthand of doing this kind of thing. And then finally, the second thing to learn from this question is that how do you convert a value into a particular given precision, right? Like two decimal places, three decimal places. So yeah, this is the way to do it, and nothing fancy here. So yeah, hope you learned something new from this video. If you like this video, then please do support it by giving a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel, and take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.